Ready for some real talk about getting a mortgage this fall? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams. And as rates inch higher, more homeowners are buying down their interest rates. Curious about what that means for you and if it's the right loan type to go with? Well, here's an example of a mortgage rate buydown. A mortgage rate buydown is a way to lower your interest rate by paying discount points at closing. Now, discount points are a one-time upfront fee, and each point will cost you 1% of the mortgage. So, for example, 1 point at a $200,000 mortgage would cost you $2,000. Each point lowers the rate by 0.25%. So 1 point would lower a mortgage rate from 7% to 6 7/8% for the life of the loan. So if you have some extra savings and you can afford it, buying down your mortgage rate may be a smart plan for your investment. However, getting an ARM loan is also another consideration, which doesn't have any buy-down cost. For more questions on buying a home and taking a mortgage out this winter, text or call me at 913-449-1950. I'm here to help however I can in finding your new home in Kansas City with all the features you're looking for to enjoy.